Highly honored. I'm Hepzibah JG. I'm from MBA. So this is the greatest opportunity ever I've got. About Satyabama, my life and journey in 2 years is a golden opportunity, I should say. It was a success story, and the BCom also I got a gold medal, and again MBA getting a gold medal is really a high pleasure and honored. And about Satyabama, the three things that I really loved is management, the opportunities that we get, and the infrastructure and the quality of education. So this is really a greatest opportunity, and highly blessed and honored and privileged. I have to thank our Chancellor ma'am, my MBA department, my faculties for helping us and guiding us in all our endeavors. And this is not the exit, actually it is a new beginning. Life has started here, and we'll definitely give a lot of success stories, and we'll come back again with the new opportunities and new success. And I got placed in BNY Mellon through campus recruitment, and life has begun here, and a new success story I've started. Thank you, Satyabama. I'm really unforgettable about this moment, and thank you with sincere honor and high gratitude.
My name is Meghna. I'm from the Visual Communication Department. First of all, I'm very happy that I received the gold medal, and I'm very honored that I got the opportunity to come to college to attend the convocation and receive the gold medal from ma'am. Also, 3 years journey, I don't know how it went. It was very fast, and we had lots of fun in college. All the teachers were very helpful throughout, and I'm very, very, very thankful to them for completely guiding me throughout my 3 years journey in college. Through college, I was also campus selected in Oppo Mobile Company, which I've taken, and I'm going under the training period right now. So also thankful to Satyabama Visual Communication Department, also the opportunity for campus placement. So thank you.
I'm Dharani. I have completed my BE education in Department of Electronics and Communication this year, and I have studied through scholarship with the help of Marizina ma'am, who offers scholarship for hundreds and 200s of students every year. And when I said about the college is really very good to study. Academics, the staffs are really very good in teaching. Whenever we have doubts, they will clarify without any hesitant, and we can always explore a lot of things inside Satyabama campus. And we have a lot of opportunities in exploring and going to another colleges, and to do internship program in abroad also, and campus interview. This year they have visited about 245 companies, and all are high package companies. You cannot go without a job inside Satyabama when you studied here. I'm glad to tell that I have placed in a company called Mr. Cooper, and I have started working also. I have started my internship there in the month of January itself, and now I have converted to a full-time employee there. And I want to thank the management, Marizina ma'am, and the everyone staffs, and all the employees here. They all helped me to get the gold medal in the Department of Electronics and Communication, and I thank every one of them.